I'm G.A. This is Cliff Horler. We're on the board of the River's End Property Owners Association in Seaford, and the Nanticoke Watershed Alliance just helped us install a floating wetland.
And this is stage 2 of a project where we last year planted a whole series of trees and wetland plants on the side of the pond.
Yeah, as a buffer to filter runoff going into the water. So this is all part of a project to help clean up the Chesapeake Bay by cleaning up what goes into the Nanticoke River.
So basically, from our community perspective, these are areas which a lot of communities, I don't think, really look after their natural areas as well as they could. So we set ourselves to a project about 2-3 years ago of starting to clean this area up, make sure we do have some wild species around, of grasses and so on along the edges of the pond, which I think some 20 odd plants were put in last year just alone. So I think the neighborhood has noticed what we've been doing. As you start to improve and you start to put trees in, you start to take care of it. We've had more people spending time here by the pond, so it's made it more attractive and drawn a lot of the members out into this area this summer. And this summer, people needed somewhere to go.
I'm Carla, and this is my husband G.A, and we live here in Laurel, Delaware. We moved here about 6 years ago, and we weren't sure what to do with our yard, so we haven't done a lot. But the more I learn, I realize it's important to conserve water and also to help the bee population and the birds, the songbirds, and not to waste our natural resources on things that aren't native. So we wanted native plants in our yard so that it would be lower maintenance and also not such big upkeep. So we found out about this wonderful program. My friend told me about it, and she had it at her house, so we decided to have it too. And then down by our lake, we have a garden that's being put in by the shore with plants that are native to this area also. And I'm still learning all the names of them, but I would urge anybody who wants to have a native garden to contact the Alliance and set up something. Do you want to say anything?
Well, she said it all. I'm G.A, but we've had a great day today, all day long. We've been working at the job. The team that came along with Beth has done a wonderful job. They've worked hard, young people with lots of energy, lots of strength, lots of knowledge. And they've been at it all day long, and we're just about done, but it looks great, and we appreciate Beth and Lisa and all those that were involved in the program and helping us get it going. And we're just excited about it and anxious to see everything grow and fill in and look nice with little to no maintenance.
And water.
And water.
We'll have to water it at first, but after that we won't have to water it constantly like annuals require. It's a more natural way to grow.